journey continues. I'm on a train going northbound to meet up with someone to share a van to the solar plexus chakra of the world. Where do you think that is?
Here we go. Like a fishing line to the sea, because the tide is high and my hopes are too. Then I look to the side and I see they're waiting again. You're pushing and shoving, yeah, pushing and shoving, yeah, pushing and shoving. You're pushing me around, there's no easy way out, easy way out. No easy way out, 'cause I'm in trouble again. Times past, is this the right way to go? Is my proud future gonna last? I'm here on the street, I'm a hurricane, I fly on by. Yeah, and my hopes are too. Then I look to the side, I see you there, waiting again. You're pushing and shoving, yeah, pushing and shoving, pushing and shoving, pushing me around. I'm in trouble again, yeah, yeah. I'm in trouble again, yeah. I'm in trouble again.